I had an unexpected toe injury this weekend, which means I have to stay home and rest. I can't go anywhere. I can't walk, which means I'm laying around. I'm getting on my phone. I'm scrolling. I'm browsing, doing a little online shopping. But not this time. I am going to turn this weekend into my no-spend weekend with decluttering. Sometimes we just need to be forced to stay at home sometime. And now that I'm being forced to stay home and not go anywhere, I'm going to get some stuff done. I am going to declutter this room I'm in, which is my craft room, my YouTube studio, my closet, my storage area. It's bad, so let me show you what I'm going to do instead of spending money this weekend. Oh my gosh. Oh, I told you it was bad. There's no way I'm getting this done in 45 minutes, but we're going to see what we can do. Right. I don't even know where to start. I'm a little overwhelmed now that I'm starting this, so I guess I just need to dive in. Let's get a couple baskets. Maybe just start clearing things off. I don't even know. Oh, I forgot to set my timer. Alexa, set a 45-minute timer. They're matched up for the most part. There's a couple I can't match up. These are done. I'm going to put mine away and put hers in her room and get them out of this room. It's an empty bottle to remind me to buy more because I did like this. So I am going to put it in my basket. I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to write myself a Post-it note to buy some more. What do you do when you find an item that you bought or somebody bought for you and it's been years and years? You've never used it. You really don't know what to do with this item, but you keep it. It's brand new. This has been sitting on my shelf. I can't tell you how long. And it's a great item. I just don't know if I will use it. Maybe I will. Okay, that's my next project. This is for my Cricut machine. And these are to make large projects. I just barely know how to use my Cricut machine for regular size objects, regular size projects. And I have this extra large cutting mat. So maybe I should, in the next few weeks, come up with a project to make something with this large thing to see if it makes me happy, and maybe I love it. Maybe I'm going to absolutely love it, and it's going to be the best thing ever. Craft stuff. What do I need these for? I don't. Maybe if I buy somebody flowers and I can put them in there and it'll look cute and pretty. This has to go away. Do I donate it or do I throw it away? What would you do? Because I'm a donator. I think I'm going to donate it. I'm going to start a donate pile. A clean space, a clean room. I can think clearer. I can function better. When I walk in here to make a video, I can't do it. Nothing comes to me. I can't set up my equipment. Nothing's flowing. Yeah, nothing's flowing. It's old. It doesn't really work too well. Oh my goodness. But it's good storage, except it's in the way. It's in my walkway constantly. I don't know. I think I might need to find a better drawer for this stuff. By the way, I'm only doing half this room. I'm not even going over there. Oh my gosh. So I literally I didn't catch it on video because I literally just tripped over something, which is not good because I have a bad toe. And I thought I broke my microphone, but I didn't. So you should not have clutter around in your craft room where you're going to trip over things and break and injure yourself even more. I can't afford to do that. I have this cart. I won't get rid of it. Why? Why will I not get rid of it? I don't use it. I literally don't use it. I don't put anything in here. But I think it was my daughter's and she was done using it and I said, "Oh, I'll take it." And I don't know what to do with it. So, if I don't know what to do with it, do I donate it? This might go in my basement. I think I'm going to put extra towels on here or extra something. We'll try that out. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to give myself 30, 40 days in the basement. And if I don't like it and I'm not using it, it's getting donated. We hang on to a lot of stuff that we become attached to emotionally. A lot of times it's stuff from families that we keep. I love my family, but I cannot keep everything that has been handed down to me. I just can't. We don't have to hang on to everything because we have the memories in our heads. So let's go through this real quick and see if we can. Oh my gosh, you guys. We talk about don't waste money, make smart buying decisions. I'm all about that. My money's important to me. I want to make wise purchases. Well, I literally just found these crafting Cricut mugs. Let's see. I don't even know how many I have here. I have 2 in this box and 1 in this box. And these are brand new Cricut mugs. They are so you can create your own mug. And you can, if you have the certain printer, you print out the design and then you put it in the mug press. I don't have the printer. I don't have the mug press. I don't have those things. So why did I buy these? Probably because I was hoping someday I could design my own mugs. I don't know why. They were probably on sale. And I figured, if I buy these, then eventually I will get the stuff to make them because I'll want to make the mugs. And I forgot all about them. I literally forgot all about them to now. I don't have the supplies to finish these mugs. And they're nice mugs, but I don't need them. So we will be selling these. Drawer. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe I found. Everybody should clean up a little bit more often. I just found all my glue guns that I forgot I had. I inherited them from my mother-in-law. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glue guns. Come on, I don't need 5 glue guns. Why do I have 5 glue guns? Oh, those are going away. I feel way better now. We have time. I got to figure out what to do with these things. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I found... I'm a waster. I'm a spender and a waster. I just found a whole drawer of shirts that I bought that I was going to make t-shirts. And I have all different sizes. They're all brand new. I have extra large, long sleeve, I've got blue. I've got, oh my gosh, I've got all kinds. I don't even know what this is. Alexa, stop. First of all, my time is up. It's been 45 minutes. I don't feel that I'm done. I feel like I have made a lot of progress, though. I can walk on my floor. I'm getting rid of this bin. I'm getting rid of that bin. That's huge. Anyways, really quick, I found all these shirts that I don't even use. So I need to either make some shirts for people or myself. I need to figure out a craft. I'm talking, I got tons of these shirts. This whole drawer is just filled. Oh, I think maybe I need to go put my foot up. I don't know what to do. I cannot make enough. I don't need to make all these shirts. But could I and will I someday? I've had those shirts for a good 5 years at least. I have to have. I think I need to sort through those tomorrow. We're going to sort through. Do I really need those? Probably not. Oh my gosh. There's more shirts. I've given myself 45 minutes. I'm done now. This was a lot. I think I did good. But now I have to go through the rest of the stuff, the brand new stuff, the Cricut cutting mat and the letters and numbers. And I've got some other stuff over there and decide what to do with it. Do I sell it? Do I have a yard sale this summer? Do I put it out? I'm going to get a couple bucks for it. Or do I donate it? Or do I give it to someone that could use it? But thank you so much for joining me. This has been an eye-opener for myself. I kind of got thrown into making a last-minute video because a lot of stuff happened this week. And I'm so sorry that you had to come and clean with me. But maybe it'll motivate you to do the same and go through it. Because summer's coming and I'm busy in the summer and I want my toe to heal. So I'm going to go rest right now. And I'm not going to scroll and I'm not going to get on Amazon. But maybe this will motivate you to go through a room. Give yourself 45 minutes. This room is very overwhelming for me. And a lot of people don't even start because it is overwhelming. Set a timer and do small amounts. Do small amounts. I'm going to do another 45 minutes or maybe even 30 minutes tomorrow. And then I'll do on Sunday, I'll do another 30 minutes. I'll have this room looking good. Go through it, see what you can sell, see what you can donate, and declutter your heart and your soul and your mind and be free of this stuff. And thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all next week.